In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress images to WebP with Squoosh. WebP is a modern image format that keeps your pictures looking sharp while dramatically reducing file size, which helps your website load faster and saves bandwidth. Squoosh is a free, browser-based tool from the web community that makes converting and compressing images simple, and it processes everything locally in your browser for extra privacy. Start by opening your browser and going to squoosh.app. You'll land on a clean page prompting you to add an image. Click the area that says Drop or Paste an image. You can drag and drop a file straight onto the page, click to browse your computer, or even paste an image from your clipboard. Any standard image file like JPG or PNG will work. Once your image loads, the editor opens. You'll see a side-by-side view with a draggable slider down the middle. On the left is the original, on the right is the version Squoosh will export. This live comparison helps you balance quality and file size before you save anything. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also see the current file size for both versions, so you can immediately gauge the savings. Next, look for the Format dropdown in the right-hand panel. Click that dropdown to reveal the list of available codecs. This is where you choose how Squoosh will compress your image. Select WebP from the list. WebP is widely supported by modern browsers and offers excellent compression. After choosing WebP, you'll see options such as quality. This slider is the main control you'll use. Lower values shrink the file more, but can introduce visible artifacts. Higher values keep more detail at a slightly larger size. A practical range for most photos is often somewhere between 60 and 80. But always trust your eyes. Zoom into important areas like faces, text, or fine textures and move the slider until the right side looks good to you while the file size stays comfortably low. If your image has transparency, WebP supports that so you can retain a clean cutout. For crisp graphics or logos, you may prefer a higher quality to preserve edges. When you're happy with the preview and file size, click the download button in the lower corner. Squoosh will generate a .webp file and prompt you to save it. Pick your destination folder and confirm. That's it, your image is now compressed to WebP. A quick check of the file size should show a significant reduction with minimal visual difference. Repeat the process for any other images you want to optimize, and enjoy faster loading pages with great looking visuals.